We are Annalise and Jordan and we are road tripping through Spain. We've crossed the border! This week we almost drive into a wildfire.
Holy
Whoa!
forest fires.
It's just caught on to the left.
And go on the most epic sunrise hike. Good morning guys and welcome back to another vlog. You might think, why am I whispering? It's 6:30 in the morning and we're going on a sunrise hike, so let's go.
Tell you what, some of them back streets, a bit sketchy, especially when it's dark. But we're on the way up anyway. Look at that for a view. Keep going.
Well, we made it to the top. There's something about being up super early while everyone else is in bed.
Wow.
Makes you feel good. And we're gonna go for a walk around the castle. It is absolutely freezing, so I'm hoping now the sun's up it'll start to warm up. We've been sat on that rock watching the sunrise, and oh my god, we've both got numb bums.
So we're just here at the bottom of the castle now. I don't know if you have to pay to go in, but nothing looks open. How stunning is that?
The views, man, look at that.
Mega, innit? Views are just insane, absolutely insane. There's mountains all around you, and then castle just here. Massive as well, the castle, literally huge. But the gates are shut, so I think we're a little early or something. But yeah, at least we can get to walk around it and have a look.
This castle sits around 200 metres high with panoramic views over Cera and the bay that opens up to the Mediterranean Sea. Cera Castle is a construction of the 10th century and was built on the remains of another Roman building.
The van is an absolute tip everywhere, and Annalise decided to cut the dog on a bed. So I think we're going to have a good sort out. But first I'm going to head off to the washing machines and put a wash on. So that was worked out at, I think, €6 for the wash, and then I think it's a couple of euro for the dryer, so it's not too bad. Actually quite cheap. And it takes 27 minutes before it's fully done. So I'm going to head back to the van now and then head back when it's finished. So this This is where we parked last night, cracking park up. That's the viewpoint there at the top of the hill, and we've got the beach just directly opposite us. Can't beat it. So we're going to head off now to our next location, get by the beach, and chill out for the rest of the day. Get your back into it, boy!
Where are we off to? Red Bull.
It's called Zabier, is it?
Zabier.
Zabier, is it? I don't know if it's Zabier or something, I don't know. Oh, that sun's so nice on my face.
Let's go. It's about to get sweaty. So we've arrived. Check this out. Look at the size of the waves. Absolutely huge. I think it's going to be choppy for the next few days because there's high winds further up the coast. That's why we've drove more south to escape the winds, but now we're getting the backlash with the waves, but oh well. Morning guys, as you can tell I've just woke up. We're moving on from this area today. We've not really filmed much just because we've been working on YouTube, social media and stuff, getting all the content out there, so we've not really explored that much. But yeah, we're moving on today to somewhere new.
We've got a free motorhome service point here, which is really good because we need to empty the toilet. We can fill up our water and stuff and get rid of a bit of our rubbish.
So while Jordan's doing the dirty work, I'm going to do the dishes. Okay, last thing to do is to take the little bear out for a walk. There is a motorhome place actually at this service point, so I'm going to go and have a little wander and see what it's like. That actually looks so cute. I'm not sure if you have to pay for this. Ah yeah, €10. Looks cute though, doesn't it? And there's also all sorts of bins there as well to empty all your bits and bobs.
So if you're anything like us and you've not got your fittings to attach to the Spanish taps, I like an internal thread. You just get yourself a bucket, some poles, pop that in there, and there you go. There you go. Starts filling. So then what you can do is just fill a water bottle up and just keep topping that tank up until your tank's full.
Ready to go?
Ready to go, darling. Wow.
Looks like there's been a big fire.
Watch out.
Holy.
Whoa.
Forest fires?
Literally forest fire.
Oh my god. Tell you what though, they've got that out quick. As we were driving past, I don't know if I managed to get it on record.
It was like blazing.
It was blazing and now it's
look
just
at the
smoking.
trees in the background. Oh no, look, it's up there still. It's just caught fire up there now.
Well yeah, because the
Further
wind,
up to the
isn't
left.
it?
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, there.
So it looks like it's just caught on again now.
The wind doesn't help, does it?
my god, guys, it's just caught on to the left. Whoa. You can see the trees there just all burnt out. Luckily they've managed to get the roadside under control. How the hell are they going to be able to get that under control? That's massive. There's a house there. There's a house to the right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's just caught on the back again, really bad.
Oh, be careful.
Here comes the big boys.
That was absolutely insane, so scary. But we're back in the van. All the roads seem to be blocked off, so we're just trying to find a way out.
I think I've found a way. Sweet. Right. This is crazy, like there's a little dirt track here what I could have probably drove across to get. I only need to be on that road there. The problem is there's a massive drop off at the other end. I think the van will bottom out, so I'm not going to try that. But what I am going to try is to spin it round, and there's a little road at the bottom that I can try, so I'll give that a go. There's a bit down here that looks like I could possibly go up over the curb and then across someone's like dirt track to the other side, but I am going to jump out and have a recce first.
Careful, go on, go on. Yeah, you're good. Come on, you're good. Yeah.
Quick.
As we were driving up, we drove past a salt lake, and salt lakes are usually where the flamingos go, so I'm gonna go down there now and fingers crossed we see some. So you can just about see the lake over there in the distance. Should we go and see some flamingos, Lel? Also, while I'm waiting for Jordan, if anyone wants a Steps to Adventure sticker, send us a message. Are they flamingos?
Yeah, they're pink flamingos. She's literally been wanting to see these flamingos for ages. And obviously down there Torre Vieja you can see them there. We're up here in Cal. They're here on the salt flats. So we just walked a little bit down and managed to find like a natural pool. Looks quite cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks really nice. We've even got like a little cave thing there. Got the rock in the background. Let's go and have a closer look.
Quite cool. I was going to actually come down tomorrow, but with a bit of seaweed in, I might not bother.
We'll go to that beach, eh?
Yeah, that beach was like perfect, wasn't it? Cool though.
Yeah, it's just got like, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, loads of like seaweed wishing round. Still nice though.
Just got the bags ready now. We're going to head down to the beach and do some snorkeling. Probably going to get a coffee as well, eh?
Why not?
Yeah. So just getting packed up, ready to go. Turn these lights off. I always forget to turn the lights off. I leave lights on. And yeah, just drains the batteries for no reason. We're on 89%. Not bad. Right, let's get going. To that cafe?
Yeah, it was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was lovely. What have you ordered?
Bacon, lettuce, egg, tomato, toasty with a cappuccino, con leche
And it's got mayonnaise on it.
and mayo.
And chips.
And chips. And it is currently 6 minutes to 12.
We've not had anything to eat this morning, so treating ourselves. Get into this.
Look at the size of that.
Oh, it's banging though, isn't it? Well, that place was cracking, the food was amazing.
So nice in there, isn't it?
The only downside is I had 2 coffees and a bit of Annalise's Coke. And the coffees are really strong, so I feel like I'm bouncing off the walls. My heart's going like a nightclub in my chest.
Jordan's trying to persuade me to climb that rock, and I'm scared.
Oh, it should be fine. It's not actually that steep. It is from this side.
So we've just perched ourselves here on the beach with the nice view of the rock. We go and
See Benidorm, what?
Oh yeah, let me turn it around. You can actually see Benidorm.
Don't think we'll be able to do it. Oh, there she is.
There she is.
So we're back at the van now, guys, and we'll catch up with you on the next vlog. See you next time.